Good evening, friends. Here, these are the deluxe cottage rooms of Green Valley Resort. This will just be an outside tour. If possible, I'll try to get a room tour done tomorrow. But these rooms are quite spacious, same pattern, built in a line, nice architecture. And the best part is just outside every room, you have some type of a greenery which adds to the exquisiteness and the enhancements. And you can observe all the rooms are of same type and uniform design. And these are two additional deluxe cottages, and overlooking them is the lawn area. And the best part is this is just a bit up on the slope, so like when you're walking, you may feel like as if you're climbing a small hillock or something.